Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to download, configure, and connect to AnonyTun Pro VPN on your Android device. Whether you're aiming for better online privacy, faster speeds, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store and search for AnonyTun Pro by Art of Tunnel. It's the one with the bright orange icon. Tap Install, and once the app is downloaded, open it. When prompted, allow necessary permissions to ensure the VPN runs correctly. Step 2. Once launched, you'll see the main dashboard, a region selector at the top, a large power button in the center, TX and RX stats showing your data activity below. Step 3. Tap the Stealth Settings button to customize your VPN connection. Under the Transport section, tap Select Transport and choose Direct TCP for a stable connection. Enable Use Custom Transport Host. Replace the default host, e.g. www.speedtest.net, with a working SNI or host provided by your VPN source or trusted community. Step 4. Under the Connection section, leave Use Custom Connect Host disabled, unless you've been provided a custom one. Set the connect port to 443 for standard secure browsing. Step 5. Security Settings. In the Security section, enable Use SSL to encrypt your connection. Toggle on Use Custom SSL SNI. Replace the default SNI value with a valid one that fits your location or network. These details should be accurate to ensure a successful and stable connection. Step 6. Once everything is configured, tap the back arrow to return to the main screen. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is active. Tap the big red power button. When prompted, allow VPN permission. In a few seconds, the status will change to connected, and the TXRX stats will start updating. And that's it. You've successfully set up AnonyTun Pro VPN on your Android device. If the connection doesn't work right away, try switching the transport method, or update the SNI host. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video. Share it with others. Subscribe for more VPN tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.